Presenting Redmi 13C 5G smartphone. The available size variants are 4GB RAM with 128GB storage, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. It is available in green, black and silver. It comes with 4GB of RAM and has 128GB internal storage. It offers a dual 5G SIM support. Designed with fast side fingerprint and 6.74 inches HD plus 90Hz display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection and 600 nits high brightness. It comes with 50 megapixel AI dual camera with primary sensor of f1.8 with different modes. Built with MIUI 14, Android 13.0 OS and powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus 5G SoC processor. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charge using Type-C. The box includes power adapter, USB cable and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.